This is your reminder that shepherd's pie can come together in a snap for lazy, cozy weekends. Lean ground beef is browned with onions that will soak up the fond from the browned meat, deepening the flavor. Then we stir in a homemade gravy, which can be quickly whisked together. Butter is melted and stirred with an equal amount of flour and lightly simmered for a few minutes. Don't try to multitask during this step. The roux will start to darken, and we're going for a deep brown, but at least the color of peanut butter, being careful to not burn it. After only 5 to 7 minutes, we can whisk in beef broth and simmer until it thickens, then season with pepper and powdered bouillon. After the gravy is stirred into the beef, we'll stir in frozen peas and carrots, and finally, top with mashed potatoes. And voila, it's ready for the oven. Oh, and maybe a little cheese on top too. It's warm, it's comforting, it's filling, and it's quick. It's delicious, nutritious, classic beef shepherd's pie.